In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay AT&T Protect Advantage bill online. If you're trying to pay for AT&T Protect Advantage, it's important to know that this device insurance charge is typically included as part of your regular wireless bill. That means you usually won't need to find a completely separate payment page just for the insurance. Instead, you'll manage it through your AT&T account using the standard billing and payment tools. To get started, go to the AT&T Bill Payment or Account Overview page. From there, sign in to your My AT&T account. Once you're logged in, look for the Bill and Payments section. This is where you can view your current balance, check your monthly statement, and confirm that the Protect Advantage fee appears as an add-on charge on your wireless bill. After you're in the billing area, select Make a Payment. AT&T will then guide you through the payment process with on-screen prompts. Follow those prompts carefully to complete your transaction. In most cases, you'll be able to review the amount due before submitting the payment, which is helpful if you want to make sure everything looks correct. Another option is to use the My AT&T app on your smartphone. If you prefer paying from your phone instead of a web browser, download and open the app, then sign into your account. Once you're inside, tap the Pay Bill button. The app gives you a convenient way to pay using saved payment methods, such as a credit card, debit card, or checking account. Whether you use the website or the app, the main idea is the same. Your Protect Advantage charge is handled through your AT&T billing account. So if you're looking specifically for that insurance payment, make sure you review your combined monthly statement rather than searching for a separate insurance-only bill. As a helpful tip, before submitting your payment, take a moment to verify the billing amount and the payment method selected. This can help avoid mistakes, especially if you have multiple saved cards or bank accounts. It's also a good idea to make sure you're signed in to the correct AT&T account so you're viewing the right bill. Once you complete the payment, you should receive confirmation on screen, and depending on your settings, you may also get an email or app notification. That's all it takes to pay your AT&T Protect Advantage bill online through My AT&T.